Good evening, viewers. Welcome to my channel, Census 2027 Learning Hub. So, today this is the third video in the HLO app series where I will discuss the most common issues faced while using the Census HLO app along with their step by step resolutions. Throughout this series, I will cover practical issues that enumerators and supervisors may encounter while using the HLO app and explain how to identify and resolve them quickly and correctly. So stay tuned to the channel, and if you find these videos helpful, please subscribe to the Census 2027 Learning Hub channel and share them with other census functionaries. Now, without further delay, let's begin with our first HLO app issue with our third HLO app issue video and its resolution. So, in this video I will discuss few of the errors which are commonly coming in our HLO app, right? So I will also share the resolutions what we should do if we get this type of errors. So first error is account is inactive, please contact admin. So this type of errors may come. So in this case what we need to do, check the user status in the CMMS portal. As here it is saying that account is inactive, right? Account is inactive. So in this case what we need to do, we need to check the status, and after that first we need to check the status whether it is active or not. In that case we need to log into the CMMS portal using the charge user or admin login and verify whether the user is active or inactive. There we need to go to the view users, and after that we need to check whether the user is active or inactive. If it is inactive, then we need to make it active, right? That we need to check. So this is how we can resolve this error. Our second error is server error, please try again after some time. This error is also very common. So what is the resolution? Use a good and stable internet connection, preferably 5G or Wi-Fi, and try again after some time. As server busy, this error comes when our internet connectivity is slow or there is a huge load in the server, due to which there may be some load balancing process in the server, which may for some time the server may get busy and we get this type of alerts. So it is better we should wait for some time and then again retry the process. Our third issue may be start. See, this alert may come, the app will work after start date information, the app will work after start date. In this case what we need to do, resolutions will be log out from the app menu and then log in again with a good internet speed network, right? Network connectivity should be good, stable network, Wi-Fi or 5G network, and then what we need to do, we need to log out from the app menu and then again log into the app. After that this issue will be resolved. Our next issue will be login failed, invalid username or password. In this case change or reset the password from CMMS, then try to log in again using the correct username and password. So first what we need to do, we need to go to the CMMS portal using the charge admin user ID, and then in view users we need to check the user ID whether that user ID exists or not. If that user ID exists, then we need to check whether it is locked or not unlocked, or it is valid or invalid. If it is valid, active, and it's unlocked, in that case we need to do, we need to do forgot password for the first time user is using the same HLO app, and then after forgot password we need to reset the password, and with the new password we should log in to this HLO app. So our next issue will the next issue is first time registration. Your registration failed because uninstall and please uninstall and reinstall the app. So first time registration, what we need to do, we can uninstall and reinstall the HLO app using a good internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, and then try registration again. But it is recommended that for the first time we should do the login through the CMMS portal, and there we need to what we need to do, we need to do for the first time at forgot password, and then we should set the new password, and after that with that new password we should log in to the HLO app. In that case, for the first time only, we should use the CMMS portal for registering the HLO app in our mobile device, and after that we can directly use that mobile device or HLO app directly in our mobile application. So next issue, fail to decode response. So what is the resolution? Log out and log in again and ensure stable internet connectivity while retrying. So this is the solution. Next is HLO runtime exception. HLO not responding. Please contact HLO customer service for resolution. So there is nothing we need to do. We should log out, or we should retry it after some time. Unauthorized user. So this error also may come. So in that case, what we need to do, verify the username, user ID of the enumerator supervisor, ensure that the correct authorized user credentials are being used. Okay, तो हमें इस केस में क्या करना है, यूजर नेम को चेक करना है of enumerator and supervisor, ensures that authorized username is used. So these are some of the errors which are very common. So I hope you like this video, and this video will be very much beneficial for this upcoming census 2027. For more step by step and HLO app issues, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming sessions. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.